Hello everyone, this is Face Maintenance College. I am Anthony. Today we will have Lesson 3, iPhone 8 Ambient Light Proximity Sensor Principle. Before starting our class, let's check the main function of ambient light sensor and the proximity sensor. Okay, now let's check the ambient light sensor first. The screen brightness is automatically adjusted according to the intensity of ambient light. And the proximity sensor. During the call, the proximity sensor detects the distance between the phone and the user's face through infrared way. When the phone is close to the face, the phone will turn off the display and touch function to prevent mistouch. Okay, now let's have our class. The ambient light sensor, proximity sensor works under two conditions, power and signal. One line for power, J4200 pin 25 provides 3.0 voltage power to the ambient light sensor or proximity sensor. And three lines for signal. The pin 17 and pin 36 are I2C 0 control lines of CPU. J4200 pin 34 is the interrupt signal from proximity sensor to CPU. And J4200 pin 19 is the interrupt signal from ambient light sensor to CPU. The proximity sensor and ambient light sensor are integrated in front camera component. It is connected to PCB connector. Let's check this connector. There are two conditions for proximity sensor working, power and signal. The sixth pin from left down of the connector. This is 3.0 voltage power of the sensor. Next is signal. We can note that the sensor is controlled by CPU through I2C from software. This pin is data pin of I2C lines. And then check pin of clock signal. The 10th pin from left down is pin of clock signal of I2C lines. These two pins are I2C lines from CPU. This pin is interrupt signal from proximity sensor to CPU. The 9th pin from left down is interrupt signal from ambient light sensor to CPU. Let's check iPhone 8 ambient light proximity sensor repair idea. Number 1. The ambient light sensor is integrated into the front camera cable, and the ambient light sensor and CPU are encrypted. If damaged, it cannot be just replaced. After the front camera cable is replaced, the phone will lose the function of automatic adjustment of screen brightness and original color. Number 2. Check all pins of resistance about ambient light sensor in J4200 and check them if they are broken or short. Number 3. Check 1.8 voltage power of pin 17 and pin 36 in J4200 okay or not. Next is the proximity sensor repair idea. Number 1. The proximity sensor is integrated into the front camera cable. When the proximity sensor not working, you need to replace the front camera and fix it. Number 2. Check all pins resistance about proximity sensor in J4200 and check them if they are broken or short. Number 3. Check 1.8 voltage power of pin 17 and pin 36 in J4200 okay or not. Now let's check iPhone 8 ambient light proximity sensor repair reference. Because there is no iPhone X case here, so we take the same case of iPhone X for reference. This case about iPhone X charging receiver cable caused no hardware color. This failure is that there is no original color after change the handset cable. The analysis is before the iOS system version 12.2. The original screen EEPROM information needs to be read when the screen is changed, and this information is written into the new screen EEPROM. Otherwise, the phone will lose the original color function after changing the screen. After the iOS system version 12.2, in addition to verifying that the EEPROM information is consistent with the original machine, the CPU will also verify that the ambient light sensor on the handset cable is consistent with the original machine. Otherwise, the original color function will be lost. For this, the solution is when other people replace the handset cable, they only carry the flow illuminator and did not carry the ambient light sensor. According to the drawing, the circuit associated with pin 10 and pin 12 of the J4600 handset connector is I2CO AOP to PROX ALS YOGI lines. The CPU passes the I2C serial group lines is controlling dot projector, ambient light sensors, and flow illuminator. We moved the original ambient light sensor to the new cable and test it after installation, and the flaw is perfectly solved. Okay, this is the course today. More repair cases, please check on our blog, iPhone Maintenance Point and Inspire. I am Anthony. Let's meet next time. Bye.